Welcome to week 3 of ET 720. What we're doing this week is talking about technology and media. So we're going to learn about the SURE model. It's a SURE model that can be used to effectively integrate technology and media. So first we are talking about being an open educator. Then we're going to learn about what's called H5P. It's a very interactive lesson plan maker. And so essentially what you have is you have a whole bunch of interactive examples that can be used for your lessons, for students, etc. So you can do something on here. Again, I recommend having students even make these, but you could also make them, for students too, I guess. But really, it's better even if the students are making it. So in this case, I'm going to click this. Oh no, okay, I didn't win. This could be good. Might be a good memory technique for students. But there's all kinds of interactives, as the previous page showed. So when we go back to that page, there's an interactive video where you can create clickable videos. You can do a course presentation that includes all of these. You can do, well, all of these things. So go ahead and play around with them a little bit. This gives good samples, and then I would recommend taking a look at those and then basically create me a sample interactive that you could use in your classroom. Well, I guess that's actually for the lesson. So for the lesson plan activity, again, you'll be adding to your instructional technology matrix. I would expect that you would add H5P, or if you want to add another kind of web interactive tool such as Powtoon, etc., feel free to do so. For the lesson plan activity this week, you're going to do the ABCD stuff. So again, a lesson plan of some kind. Just use the example from section 1 if that's what you're comfortable with, and replace it with what you're actually doing in class. And then just highlight for me, what you're doing here. The reason that I'm having you do this, I feel like it's not busy work, because I feel like we so often we do our lessons and we think that we know what we're doing is best for our kids. But something like this kind of forces us to get back into this idea of, okay, what is our structure of our lesson plan? How are we knowing that we're really hitting all the required criteria for our students? If you do want to use a rubric or just a simple table, right? We use those all the times at Fresno Pacific. You can even, model your rubric after the discussion guide form on the course document. But Rubistar makes rubrics pretty easily as well. But I honestly just do it in tables and submit that as well. So how would you use your H5P object for students to assess their learning?